it?
Yeah. Did you fix the thing? It's good.
The Lambo, yeah. Hey. Yeah, this is a nice one. Sounds good, dude.
Started to move. This is a beauty, huh? 911 Turbo S or this GT3 RS. Damn, two hard choices. 911 Turbo S is very nice as well. This is more sporty. It looks a little bit nicer, but the Turbo S is also.
You like the seats?
Yeah, the seats are really nice. My fat ass can't sit in here though. Javier loves this car. His dream car.
Why do I tell you go drive around the block?
He said we could drive it. We'll drive it. Yeah.
I think just leave it like that. Fine. Alright, thanks. Alright. Porsche GT3 RS, the talk of the town. This car's been highly anticipated. One of the first ones in the West Coast. I know there was 2-3 out there that we saw. This is a gorgeous example in the black color, red wheels and the red GT3 RS. It's got all the aerodynamics. This thing is a very, very capable track weapon. It's super rigid. It's got so many controls on the steering wheels, which we'll show you guys, that controls the dampening, controls traction in many multiple ways. You have your different modes with sport, track, regular. Truly a crazy car. You guys already know I'm not the biggest Porsche fan, but this is, for a production car, to have this aerodynamic on it, it's insane. These fender vents right here, and then how it cuts off and then has that whole thing, just like the Cup cars, to have all that ventilation and aerodynamics. The hood, look at the fins right here. And obviously all the cooling stuff in there. Let's open the hood real fast. Oh. Nothing there. So yeah, I don't think you have any space in this car as far as the trunk. It's got that's a huge fan in the front right there. And all of this obviously vents out. Look at that carbon fiber hood, super light. All carbon. Vents are literally open, by the way. As you can see, my hand going through that. Obviously, this is that sticker. It's not an actual embossed emblem, it's a sticker. I look at these wheels. They have slits going through the spokes to get more lightweight, obviously. They're anodized red. You got the red GT3RS right here. You got your cool roof and these insane little winglets on the roof. The talk of this whole car really is the giant rear spoiler. This thing is gigantic, and look how it sits. It literally sits on top of the engine. So it's pretty crazy because it doesn't sit on the bumper anymore or anything. It sits on top of the engine lid. And then obviously the beautiful lighting system of Porsche. You have this LED light going throughout the whole rear, which is beautiful. You got the GT3RS in red. You got some more lights over here. And then check out these little hydraulic rods that actually adjust your wing. So like I said, this car has that aerodynamic system that completely adjusts everything when you're on the track. That's coolant right here. This is your coolant reservoir. We have an exhaust system on this already. This is the Dundun exhaust system with headers and everything. So I consider this the best system for the GT3RS. It's not a custom garage-made exhaust system. It's not crooked. We did headers, sport cats, the rear end, everything on it, and it sounds like a race car. You really have to hit the high revs to hit that sound level on it. And this car drives so nimble, it feels like the lightest car ever. Here we have the beautiful interior. A little bit of red right there. Also the door panels and red stitching all over. And then this steering wheel. This steering wheel is insane, guys. You have your drive modes on that side. You have your ESC and traction over here. And then you have your PASM and the PTV, which I don't even know what PTV is, but PASM adjusts the compression on your shocks. You can do front and rear independently. Pretty crazy. And then the PTV has coast and power. So hope you guys like it. We're gonna be doing a clear bra on it. Like I said, the exhaust is done. Sounds insane. and very excited to work on this car.
That guy said he worked for you in Sunset. His name's Vic.
That guy never worked for me in Sunset. Which guy?
That guy that's on the bike.
No,
Really?
definitely not. I don't need more flybys, man. That's enough. 3 flybys is more than enough for me today, guys. But yeah, this car's fun. It's super nimble. I had to do like 2-3 U-turns, like quick ones. Dude, effortless, like crazy U-turns. Like just throw the car, whatever. It's so light and easy to drive. I honestly, if you put it in regular mode, I don't see why you can't drive it every day if you want. So there you have it, GT3RS. A lot more to come.
Hey, they're cheap.
What?
Why would you put a sticker?
That's a sticker?
You're dumb.
It's not pink.
No, it's a sticker.
Oh, it is a sticker.
Why would you be so cheap on this car?
Dang. Can't you just paint over it?
Yeah, you can.
With clear coat?
Yeah. You know the like Aventador SVJ?
Yeah.
You could do something like that, or maybe
Maybe they wanted to leave a sticker because it's like a track car. You like the wing?
yeah, it's something unique. This car has 2 wings. One.
It's
A lot of people didn't notice this.
How
Is
much
that?
horsepower is it?
I don't even know. It probably has like 250 horsepower.
No. I think it's close to like 500 something.
Damn, you don't know that? You need to know all these.
I'm not a
60.
Porsche fan.
Moses is. How much horsepower does this have?
About 225.
518. I told you.
502.
518.
That's not bad. Naturally aspirated 6-cylinder, 500 horsepower.
Imagine. There's a lot of stuff you can do with this car. This car has the best handling.
Handling?
Yeah.
Better than the SVJ?
This one you cannot compare with the SVJ. Yeah. But you can.
Why?
They're 2 different cars. This one you can compare with Hurricane.
That's it. I'm pissed. You're doing very good. I'm sick and tired of it. I want you to fail. You don't understand.
Why?
Because it's annoying when you succeed.
The problem is over here we don't have a lot of love. We have to show a little love, bro. Go f yourself, man. No, we have to care for each other. There's no caring at the shop. Everybody just wants to do what they want to
Everyone
do.
wants everybody to fuck up here. That's the thing. Nobody wants to do anything.
That's you. That's you 100%.
Most of the times I'm not even on the YouTube and I get called out. How do they remember me?
It's on the other side.
The gas thing?
Yeah.
Oh, you're kidding. Does it pop out or is it like the thing? Push it in? Nice. What number is this? It did come out good.
Do you always put gas in the customer car?
No. I'm usually out of money. So when I have a little extra, if a customer car needs something, I'll do it.
What city is this going to?
Amsterdam.
Yeah, it looks good in the sun.
Yep.
It's almost brown, kind of.
It's like, yeah, it's brushed. I like it.
Yeah, it's cool.
One of my favorite builds. Why? Because it's yours? We got to get on this truck or Walter's going to kill us right now. Not Walter. All right, let's go. Done. This car went through hell. Somebody wrapped this car before, and I don't know what they did or how they did it, but this car, when we're taking the old wrap off to apply the new wrap, this car's body is destroyed. The whole car is bad. So we're trying to get it to where we can wrap it again so it looks nice. It's a lot of work. No, there's a lot of dents, there's cracks. The clear coat is coming off the car everywhere. So yeah, it's a pretty, whoever did this car, very bad. Okay, I was gonna be nice before, but I'm not gonna be nice. You know the shirt that you were talking about that felt weird? It's your up fingers. It's not the shirt. So your fingers are up. It's not the shirt's material. So I didn't want to say it, but fuck you now. It's not the material, it's your fingers.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below, all right? So, see you on the next one. Haha.